Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, grade 10 students. This is محمد الفزاري, an English teacher in Al-Imam Shafi'i School. Today we have a very important topic, which is about how we are going to write an email. So imagine that you are in a test right now and you have this question or this situation. Complete the following task. Write at least 100 words. Now, today we are going to talk about the format or the layout of writing an email. Very basic steps. It's not going to be too much. So, first of all, you have to understand the situation that you are in. You have to understand that. So, if we read this is the situation. Imagine that you are Nasser. So now your name is Nasser. You are good at school, but you have problems studying English. Okay? So this is the situation that you are put in. Now, what is the task? What you are going to do? You are required or you are asked to write an email. To write what? An email. To whom? To Salim. Tell him about your study of English, describe the problems you face, and ask for help. Now, we are going to talk about how to write the email. You have to know that the sender of the email or the writer of the email is Nasser, and the receiver is Salim. So when we start writing an email, we are going to say the first one, dear. Dear whom? Dear Salim. Because this email is to Salim. So dear Salim, then we put comma. Now we need to write an introduction. In the introduction you can write, and this is only like you can put it as a standard. It just the basics. You can add more, it's up to you. But I'm giving you this one. It has been a while since I heard from you. This is the first sentence. Then you ask about his condition by asking this question: How are you doing? Question mark. Then you can also answer this question, like you're hoping that he is doing fine. So you say, I hope that you are doing fine. Full stop. Then you state your reason behind writing this email. You can say, I am writing this email to tell you, and you go to the task, what you are required to talk about. You have some problems in studying English. So I'm writing this email to tell you about my what? My problems in studying English. Full stop. Now, this can serve as an introduction. The only thing that you are going to change is the topic only. these 2 sentences or 3 sentences are okay. You can put them in each email. So it has been a while since I heard from you. How are you doing? I hope that you are doing fine. I am writing this email to tell you about my problems in studying English. Now, we go to the body, and in the body, we are required to do what? We are required to answer the tell him about your study of English. Describe the problems you face and ask for help. In the body, this is, I cannot write it here now. In the body, you can adapt the question itself here. You can write, now in the question that we have, you are required to tell him about your study of English, describe the problems and face your problem you face and ask for help. In other question, there is another thing you are going to write about, but here you have to stick to the task that I have here. So you are going to write about telling him, and this according to you, maybe in one paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph, it's up to you. So tell him about your study of English. This is the first thing. You can put it here, which is the body. You can put it here, telling him. The second thing is describing the problem you face. And the third thing that you are required to do is asking for help. So these are the things that you are required to do in the task. According to the task here we have. You can write them in 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, it's up to you. But the body is for you. So all of these points is the body. Now we go to the next one, which is the conclusion. We have to conclude, or yes, conclude the email. We have the introduction here. We can say this simple sentence like, I am looking for word to hearing or seeing you soon. This simple sentence you can add by saying write. Here we have seeing, not seen. Seeing. Write me, or write to me soon. Full stop. This can serve like a conclusion to your email. And it's, as I said, it's only the basics. Then, because this is an email, we have to write like, we have certain expressions. We can write like, bye for now, goodbye, your friend, best wishes, yours sincerely. So we are going to write like here, best wishes. And then you have to stick to the question that you have, and you have to write your name, which is here Nasser. So you have to put here at the end your name. So you write Nasser. And that's it. Now, this is the email that we have. Let me just decrease it. So we have it from here, dear Salim, till you write your name. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have some benefit from this topic. Thank you.